Thank you all so much for joining me today. How are you all doing?
Good, good, very
Super.
good.
We
We
are
are
good.
doing
We are
very
good.
good.
How are you?
And I'm good, but you're the one who's out with a new series, guys. A Simple Murder. Everyone's talking about it. What have the first reactions been so far?
Oh, overwhelming, overwhelming. Like I mean, we did know that we've made something crazy, zany, something good, but so much love from the people, and they are loving every performance. Even Durgesh, who's played the waiter, who's got a small part, so even he's been noticed. So it feels so good, when and writing has been appreciated. So overall, overwhelming, barring one or two negative reviews, which is expected because it's that kind of a series. Either you will not understand it at all, might end up hating it completely, but if you love, you'll fall in love with it. So thankfully, 99.9% are loving it. So good
Well,
for
yes,
us.
it is. There is a lot of black humor in it, which may not be everybody's cup of tea. But for me, that was the standout ingredient. So, what was the thing that stood out for you most in the script, Zishan?
I think it was this black humor only, and this is a kind of genre that I really love. It is I think a few of the reviewers have also written it's Coen brotherish. So I'm a
Yeah.
big fan of Coen brothers. So I think that was it, and obviously the character, the twists or subke. So I think it was the overall script that attracted me.
Well, yes, there were some Coen brothers elements like the cheating wife, you had the murder, you had all that mayhem that was following. And speaking of the cheating wife, Priya, having known you, the character is so different from who you actually are. You are actually very sweet. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. So you are so sweet and so far removed. Please
Zishan could
comment.
correct you if anything.
So what was it sinking your teeth into this gray character?
It was so exciting for me because I'm so bored of being that girl that's always backing up a loser saying you're going to be a winner someday. Over here, I was just with a loser saying, listen, you are such a loser. Like, let me just figure my own thing. But for Zishan, he was at the receiving end of everything because from day one, he was getting whacked. He was getting things thrown at him.
He was
And I was
in her
abusing
character.
him. I learned so many bad words through this show. And I was like, Z, I'm so sorry, but he's got this comforting energy about him that, was really awesome for me. For me, the writing was so exciting. It was very different from the stuff that I do. And just watching such amazing actors. And I didn't realize everyone else is an NSD graduate. And I was like, what am I doing on this show? Like, how did me get in part in this? But it was so amazing watching all of them perform. It was just so exciting.
They are a group of stellar actors, and as you mentioned, some of them have NSD background. Was there a lot of improvisation you found on the sets? Did they bring their own lines to the characters?
See, watching the show, because I only know the parts that I performed in, but watching the show, having read the script, that's when I realized, my God, these guys have gone above and beyond what was just written. Obviously, the writing was already there and it was good, but the little things that everyone brought in, I know Sushant sir has improvised a lot on some of his scenes. Zishan, though, I've witnessed him do that. Amit Sial, everybody was so amazing. I think that's what I think great acting is, like to kind of take the writing one step further and adding your own little touches. And both these men have been so amazing at that.
Well, Sushant, I think from watching you, it was obvious that you have brought a lot of yourself to this character, and
Wow.
you seem to have put in a lot of inputs as well. So tell me about that. Tell me about the improvisation on the set.
I was very nervous, frankly, because we had decided that lock the series, that we are going to shoot it, and then lockdown happened. So none of us really had a chance to meet and read the script. Only one reading happened in the office one day, few scenes. So we really didn't have time to work on the characters. So I reached Ramoji Film City, and at night, just before the shoot, I'm with Sachin, and I'm saying, "Boss, sur nahi mil raha hai. क्या करूं? कुछ ऐसा करें, कुछ ऐसा करें, ऐसा करें." And then I reached the sets, and I was Durgesh के साथ ही scene था. The first scene was with Durgesh, and poor Durgesh was nervous because apparently he was acting with me for the first time, and he didn't know how. I was even more nervous because I had not found the right sur, and I kept thinking. Then finally I did something, and that tone came out, and that "Are Suno" came out, And then I said, yeah, this is sounding good. And then I tried to analyze, but where did it come from? This tone, this character, kahan se, aaya kahan se? So I remembered I had worked with a director. I will not name the director. So, poor guy. I sort of improvised.
Guessing game. This is a guessing game.
वो बड़े बड़े ज़हीन आदमी हैं, बड़ा संभल के, बहुत मोहब्बत से प्यार करते हैं. वो गाली भी देंगे तो बहुत मोहब्बत से. तो इस तरह के डायरेक्टर हैं. तो वो वहाँ से ले लिया. तो थैंक यू. वो कहीं अंदर था, स्टोर में छुपा हुआ, निकल आया. And good that Sachin was very receptive, our director, and he could see that this tone can work and go somewhere. But it was very difficult to maintain that tone. Very difficult to maintain. Yeah, that straight face humor, and at times I think some few lines we've cut in the edit because I ended up laughing myself.
No, your poker face was intact throughout the series. And it's interesting that you say that you had trouble finding that sur, because I found the timing perfect. I found the sur that you had with the other characters pitch perfect.
Yeah, no, great. See, when you have good talent around, Zishan is a trained actor. Plus, we worked together in Rangbaz. He's from my same college. There's certain tuning. Amit Syal is also a friend. So there's already a certain kind of tuning. And the director, he has a wacky sense of humor. Sachin. He's himself an actor from theater. So with so much talent around, there's a certain comfort level. Everybody knows, okay, where this character is going, what he's trying to do. So the response was all give and take. So we had a ball. Absolutely.
Zishan, how was it playing off Sushant? The two of you have a lot of interesting scenes. The very well written as well, very engrossing for the audience. How was it playing those parts?
It was a pleasure because I've known Sushant Bhai's work from many years, and I've known about him. We have met, and we share same kind of thoughts on certain things. So I had to be influenced by this character. So it was not very difficult because he has that swag and style. Sushant Bhai, the way he carries himself in real life also. So it was really interesting because what I had to do, I just had to think about the character before I meet him up. After that, I knew that what I have to do for next 2-3 episodes, I will have to develop my character that he is trying to copy Himmat more and more. So even when we met at Jar's office during the reading, I think it was during the costume trial. Sushant bhai, correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah. Same day,
when we decided
what
kind of hairstyle we should go with, what kind of mustache. So, obviously it is not possible to grow mustache in a day, in few hours. So he'll try his best to copy him. So for me, those scenes were about this only, that I just need to be impressed by this person. I need to follow this person. I'm trying to copy his walk and all those things. So it was fun.
Speaking of looks, Priya, you looked gorgeous in the series, of course. But you're not just a pretty face. You're a very dangerous one in the series, right? What was the toughest part for you? Was there anything that you found challenging because you made it look effortless?
The challenging parts were my lines because I was speaking so much and doing multiple languages. Like we were shooting Sing Sound, so my Hindi lines, I remember there's one scene with Zishan where I kind of grab him by the ball and I was just up a little bit too much and he was having a good laugh at my expense. But other than that, I think it was just such a fun character for me to play. I was kind of enjoying being so bad and making these choices without thinking of the consequences. I think I was vicariously living through Richa, so I enjoyed the whole process.
Is OTT offering you these rich varieties of characters portray? Because until now we mostly had films, and we didn't see as much variety as we're seeing on OTT now. So Priya, do you think the platform offers actors something more exciting?
I think it's a great opportunity, not just for actors, for I think aspiring directors or directors that have really interesting different concepts, filmmakers doing, ideas that they're unsure of if, the audiences are ready to come into a theater to watch or if a star will kind of accept. The best kind of opportunities available for actors who truly kind of deserve more credit. I think everyone on our show are such underrated actors who are amazing, amazing talents. And I think the OTT platforms gives them an opportunity to be these mega stars that they deservingly need to be. But having said that, OTT also has a lot of kind of sad content also happening, because I work in 5 different languages. I get a lot of offers. When you read them, it's like, why are you doing this stuff? Like, I don't want them to spoil the medium before it even kind of really sets its kind of base up. So I think there's two extremes. There's the cross stuff happening, and then there's amazing stuff on international standards happening.
Priya, I think you should tell us something very fast that has been offered to you. You don't have to name the project, but just describe it for our audience, because we are all curious.
I don't think anyone is curious, because everyone knows. Like, we all get these clips, or we see these little like tidbits on Instagram, and everyone's like, what were they thinking? But that way with The Simple Murder, and especially our director Sachin, he is a firm believer on entertaining people without enticing the audience with these cheap gimmicks. Our show, there were scenes that you could have added to kind of just keep the audience's attention, but they did that in a very intelligent way with the content instead. And he really believes, he always says this, that everyone knows what two people are going to do once they walk into a room. Why show it? So that way I loved his vision, and I loved what A Simple Murder stood for. All of us were so excited not only to work during the lockdown, but also to work on great content and create some magic and something really, really good that has not been done before. I think that was amazing for all of us.
Well, it's definitely one of the few in its genre, or perhaps the only one in its genre, black, dark comedy of errors involving so many murders. Zishan and Sushant, what's interesting about the two of you is that you're both politically aware and share a similar ideology. And I found the series, if you wanted to watch it as just a thriller, you could do that, but it also had layers. So you had one about love jihad, which is the burning issue of the day. And it was tackled bravely in the sense that the series took a political stand. Was it important to you that stand was in accordance with what you feel as well?
Either you don't take a stand, either you don't take up an issue. It could easily have been, a Hindu boy, Hindu girl running away, because even then there would be trouble. The kind of society we live in, just love marriage is a taboo in itself still. But if you are taking up a stand, then and I'm in that project, then it has to be aligned with my thinking also, because it would be so duplicitous for me to say something else in private life and public life, but to act in projects which do the opposite. I wouldn't be able to do that. I don't think so.
Zishan, is that the same for you as well?
Yeah, I think, and one more important thing is we get excited after reading or listening to a script if it inclines with our political thought or social thought. Otherwise, we will get offended while we are reading it. What kind of rubbish is this? We don't want to be a part of that. So I think that was there. Everything was in sync, and the way they have smuggled it in. It is not just about that, and it's not preachy, and it's not putting too much effort to communicate that point. It is more about that story is different, but yes, we are talking about a few socio-political issues. So I think that was the beauty of the script and the show.
Like you said, Shilpa, I think you can binge watch the show and have a good laugh, or you can really kind of see the layers, the characters' journeys, put yourself in there and kind of see there's so many layers to this. So it depends on the viewer how kind of deep they want to go with the viewing experience.
Well, absolutely. I agree with you. And it was very entertaining for me. And so was this interview. I had so much fun talking with all of you. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Shilpa. It was fun.
Guys.
Thank you.
It was
bye,
a lot of fun. Bye. Bye, Priya. See you.